Okay, class, so this little video is going to talk about how you're going to complete the lab online. So first, what you're seeing here, of course, is when you open up your class and you go to announcements, the moving the class online announcement is here with a video for you to watch how to take your lab exam. I have posted a new schedule, and it's right under that link. When you click on that, it will provide the schedule for when your lab activities are due, when your lab exams are due, and when your lecture exams are due. I'm going to talk more about the lecture in another video. Let's concentrate on the lab activities in this one. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click on content. And then you will see folders, lecture materials, lab exams, lecture exams. So all of your exams now, since we've moved exclusively online, your exams will be taken on Blackboard. So I've already talked about lab exam 1 in the previous video. Again, let's go ahead and focus on lab activities. So if you click on lab materials and then go to lab unit 2, there are the labs you'll complete. There are 4. So you have the brain and spinal cord, cardiovascular underneath that, respiratory and digestive, urinary and reproductive. So they're all open now. You can go ahead and just work through them at your pace. I have provided due dates for when these activities are due. So let me show you what you're actually going to submit. So when you click on the brain and spinal cord lab, there are 2 homework assignments you're going to do. They're using Connect, so you're familiar with how this works. Each one is worth 5 points for a total of 10 points, right, for the lab, because that's what our labs are worth. But, that's not it. That's not all you need to do. That's just a way to allow you to, get the points from the lab. But what you really need to do, let's click on this one right here. Here's all the content. So because I'm not with you and teaching you face-to-face, I've added PowerPoints that have audio to them. So here's the anatomy of the brain PowerPoint with audio, anatomy of the spinal cord PowerPoint with audio. So I go through and I teach it to you, so you'll open those PowerPoints up and you'll listen to them and you'll take notes, right, while I deliver the message to you, if you will. And then I've narrowed down, here are the external brain list of terms you need to know, internal brain, spinal cord anatomy. So, those are I would print them if I were you. I would print them and I'd go, okay, those are the terms I need to be focusing on. That's what I'll be talking to you about in the PowerPoints. And then these are awesome right here. They are me holding our models. So you know how when we're in lab and I hold models and I point things out to you, that's what these videos will do. So you have a video of me pointing out the lobes, fissures, sulcuses, and gyruses of the external brain. The next one, I introduce you to the functional areas. So in addition to listening to the PowerPoints, you do also want to watch the videos. Again, take notes. That's how you're really going to learn the information. So, it's not ideal, but it's where we are right now. You're going to have to be disciplined, and you're going to have to carve out time in your week to kind of, you're going to be teaching yourself, sort of. I mean, but I have provided as much material as I possibly can to help you navigate through this information. Again, you are welcome to email, text, call me if you have any questions about any of it. But this is the stuff you really want to deal with. So when I go back, let's see, lab unit 2, the next lab, cardiovascular, heart and blood vessels, same thing. You've got anatomy of the heart, list of terms to know, master list of arteries and veins. I've given you pictures of the blood vessel models keyed, PowerPoint, and then again, videos. Videos of the heart are here, and they're me, again, going through all this information with you. Videos of the blood vessels, me. Now, it looks like a lot. I mean, it is a lot, but I've chunked them into small videos so that, one video didn't take so much time. And then here are the homework assignments you're going to turn in. So you're going to click on that, complete it, click on that, complete it, and it gives you a due date there, April 9th by 5 p.m. Okay, so that's what you'll do to get your points for this lab. So all of the labs are set up this way. You're going to see PowerPoints, you're going to see list of terms to know, you're going to see videos that I've put together, and then you're going to see the homework that you'll actually submit to allow you to get those points from the lab. And then we will wrap up with a lab exam 2, which will be posted in, let me go to here. Well, it'll be posted here. So when I click on lab exams, you see lab exam 1 is ready for you. I will have a lab exam 2 posted towards the end of the semester. I'm currently working on a big document that's going to include pictures and list of terms for you to label that you can work on before the lab exam, so you know exactly what terms you need to know, what do the pictures look like. So I'm working on that document now, and as soon as I get it completed, I'll post it for you. So that's yet to come. But you can go ahead and start, begin working on your lab materials using these folders. Again, let me know if you have any questions, and just stay healthy. Thank you. Bye.